Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swani. I missed all of you as I wasn't around last week. This week is also a very busy week for me. Tomorrow morning my dad will be admitting to the hospital. He will undergo a big surgery on the next day. I hope the surgery will go smoothly. Today I will share a very healthy and easy breakfast recipe. Avocado Milo blended. We just need an avocado and 2 cups of cold Milo or iced Milo. So first we cut the avocado into halves, remove the seed and skin. Now we pour the Milo into the blender. Oops! Careful, due to the ice it spilled out a bit. Now we add in the avocado. Okay, then just blend them together. If you prefer it to be smooth, then blend a little longer. Once done, pour the mixture into a cup. There you go, our healthy avocado Milo blended breakfast. Very easy, right? Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next week. Bye.